We need a way to come to reality. Breema starts with the body, because it's the simplest way. You have your body's weight to help you, and you have its breathing process. Connecting to those, you can come to the actual taste of there is a body. This taste is not the body, and it isn't really dependent on the body. Taste is your entrance into reality. And reality always is. You may not always be available to receive it, but it's always there. Coming to your breathing or to your body is not an end in itself. It's a way to come to taste. The taste is not a taste of breath or of body. It's your consciousness becoming conscious of its own existence. Breathing is an event, a temporary event. But when you are conscious of events, your consciousness receives its light from awareness, which is not an event. When you practice Breema bodywork with someone, the only thing you need is to be present. The sequences are a support for you to become open and receptive, so you can experience the taste of being present. When you become present, your true nature is emanating, and in that emanation, you and the recipient become united in a single field of acceptance. Your timeless reality enters into time and gives you the taste of I exist.